Mom says she's too busy to read me the Christmas story. But isn't spending time with Jesus important too?
Definitely. After all, Jesus is what Christmas is really all about. Do you love Christmas? I'm Zach, and you're tuned in to listener-supported Keys for Kids. I love Christmas, especially snacking on all the tasty treats at parties. But this time of year can get really overwhelming with all the shopping, wrapping, and baking. Sometimes it just doesn't feel like there's time for anything else. But that's what makes it even more important to make time for Jesus. Put him first, and he'll give you the rest your soul needs when you're busy. Matthew 11:28 says, "Come to me, all you who are weary and heavy burdened, and I will give you rest." Our story for today is called Rest is Best. Jade squeezed her new teddy bear tight as she ran to the living room. She waded through piles of wrapping paper to find the family Bible on the coffee table. "Momma," she said as she walked into the kitchen and found her mother rolling out pie dough on the counter. "We almost forgot to read the Christmas story. We always read it on Christmas after we open our presents." "I didn't forget, Jade. We just don't have time this year," Mom said. "I need to finish making the pecan pie we're taking to Grandma's and shovel the driveway so we can get the car out of the garage. And we need to leave in 45 minutes or we'll be late." Mom punctuated her list with a sigh. "Maybe we can read it tomorrow instead." Defeated, Jade walked back to the living room. She plopped down in the crumpled wrapping paper and looked at her teddy bear. "What should I name you?" Jade asked the stuffed animal as she touched the pink bow on the bear's head. "I know," she said. "Martha." Jade furrowed her brow. She thought about the story of Mary and Martha she learned in Sunday school and realized Martha sounded a lot like her mom. Jade returned to the kitchen. "I think you're being Martha," she timidly told her mom as she sat down at the counter. "Martha?" Mom asked. "Who is Martha?" "In the Bible, Jesus visits two sisters, Mary and Martha. Martha spent so much time cleaning and cooking that she didn't get to spend any time with Jesus. But Mary decided spending time with Jesus was more important than anything else." Jade looked down at the floor. "I think you're letting Christmas be more important than spending time with Jesus." Mom's face softened. "Thank you, Jade. You're absolutely right. I got caught up in all the work that goes along with the holiday. Even good things like making a pie for family can be bad when they keep us from taking time to rest with Jesus so he can refresh our souls and remind us of his love." Mom put down the rolling pin and smiled at Jade. "Come on, little Mary. Let's go read the Christmas story by the tree. Grandma won't mind if we're a little late." Well, how about you? Are you feeling stressed or overwhelmed this Christmas season by all the presents to wrap or family parties to attend? Even good things can be bad when they keep us so busy that we don't have time for God. Don't let this year's holiday festivities keep you from spending time with Jesus. Take a moment each day to rest in his presence and remember that Christmas is all about what he did for you. Our key verse is Matthew 11:28.
"Come to me, all you who are weary and burdened, and I will give you rest."
And our key thought, take time to rest in Jesus.
There's something strange happening down Gilead Lane. A mysterious new neighbor has everybody talking. But what's the real story? Brooke and Michael Morrison hunt down the truth about Crazy Grace. To discover how God helps them through all the drama, head over to keysforkids.org and click Shop to pick up the first season of Down Gilead Lane. I'm Zach. Thanks for listening to Keys for Kids.